Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that YFI token has broken out a falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the pricing could not break out this long-term resistance of $5,500, and also got rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance is in fact the support of a big ascending triangle that is formed on this 7-day time frame chart. And if you take a look at the $5,500 resistance, then you can see that this level of $5,500 has been recently breaking as a resistance here, support here, and before that here it has been breaking as support. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a strong resistance for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And this is a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that YFI token has formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this is the complete trade signal, the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely pumped from this buying zone and read the sell target zone. And before that, we caught almost 215% pump. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that YFI token formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone here. You can see that first it again moved down inside this buying zone. Then we had a nice pump. Then we had a bigger pump. And this was almost 215% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of YFI. And here on the daily time frame chart, first you can see that we have recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this is another falling wedge pattern that we have recently broken out. Previously, we broke out this falling wedge pattern, and before that, we broke out this smaller down channel and this bigger down channel as well. Therefore, I'm expecting that like every time it is doing after the breakout, we are watching different pumps. This time again, we can see another pump, but before that, we will need to break out this long-term resistance of $5,500 and this uptrend line resistance as well. That was in fact the previous support of this big ascending triangle. If the price then re-enters the same triangle, then an imminent move can be possible up to this resistance of $6,900. That was recently breaking other resistance here and support here for a few weeks as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is again here at the top of the wedge at $11,240. And over there we have another quite long-term resistance that is also breaking as a resistance of this big ascending triangle as well. You can see that previously the pricing got rejected by this resistance of $11,240 here, here, and here as well. And if the pricing breaks out this big ascending triangle, then target for the breakout from this triangle will be here, approximately at $32,000. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel is here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.